That one is drilled deep to left field. Gordon back, still back. He's going to have to play up against the wall. Swisher scores. Gardner scores. Nunez will stop at third. It's a two-run double for Cervelli. And now the Yankees trail 8-3.
Cervelli not afraid to hit with 2 strikes. There's some hitters who just don't panic. They let the ball travel a little bit. He used his hands really well there, driving it to left field. Gordon does not have a play, has to play it off the hop. Swisher goes back to third to tag up. He doesn't need to. Gardner's going to score easy. The only question, Nunez coming around third, but Robbie Thompson, the smart play, holding him up. Sullivan had been cruising along through 4 innings, having his problems here in the 5th.